Yo, that's crazy. I really think it's here, squad. I really think it's here, man. Let's see, drum roll. Oh shit, what we got here? What we got here, squad? Alright. A little further investigation. Let's take it inside and investigate. I hope this is what I think it is, y'all. I'll see y'all inside. Aye. We back inside. So, first things first. Let's check what's in this package, man. Because if it's I can't even talk. If there's something in here that I think it is. Let's open it. It's unopened. Let's go, bro. This is my first time ordering from the Glock store. I was hella worried about it at first, just because really, it's kind of funny. The only thing I've really ordered off of online was like Amazon, shit like that. So this is my first time doing it from the Glock store. Let's go. Receipt, cannot show you that. And the drum roll, please. It's official, bro. It's official. What you think, squad? Yes, sir, bro. Yes, sir. Lenny McGill's Glock store. That's fire. Like I said, how long it took, I was worried it was going to take like weeks and weeks in advance, honestly. It was here, I want to say, within 4 days. I say 4 or 5 days of ordering it. But definitely happy with it. I'm going to do an install. We're about to install it right now, honestly, but see the difference in it and stuff like that. My bad, I'm just reading all the stuff on here. 3-pound connector. Let's go, squad. Let's go. Yup, let's get it installed right now. Let's finish this. Let's do this. So, a lot of you know, obviously, I'm sure you've seen my Glock on YouTube. Quite a bit of my videos have gotten some views and stuff like that. It's dope. I've never seen another Glock build like this one, at least, but check it.
FBI? Him. Come on in. Hurry in.
It's fire. We clear. We about to break this gun down so we can install this baby. Let's go.
Yo, when they see me, they salute to have a juku. Some pink pumps, pink thumbs, and the toots.
So, let's see here. All right. Make sure we clear. Stupid. All right, this is before. Want to make sure you have that hole punch. I'm sure a lot of people got their hole punches. I'm using obviously like a little Allen wrench, Allen key, whatever, but I'm about to use that to do the hole punching. Not the most best area to be doing this, honestly. First pin. second pin. Pull that trigger mechanism out. That is the bar. That way you're going to be replacing right there. You're going to take your crucifix or cruciform, whatever people want to call it, kind of twist it. Try to get it out of there. It'll pop right out type deal. So we'll get that out. Gotta be careful not to mess up that spacing in between there, I guess. Okay, so you can punch it on one side. Like a little hole up top right there. And punch it out. Oh shit, and it falls right out. Damn right. That's the old one. We'll do a comparison. Let me open this new one. Let's go. New versus old. Put that new one in there. Just gonna pop it right back in there, slide it in there. And it sits right in there. Don't bend it, don't mess with it, just let it be how it's going. Put everything back together. Put this back on there. I'm pretty sure that's seated in there pretty good. Alright, I got everything back in there. Gotta make sure. Slide it back in there. I'm excited, y'all, but I'm nervous. I'm nervous, yo. Alright. Slide it back in there. Rail back in there. Duh, wrong way. Perfect. Let's put our pins back in and let's test it out. Try the big one first. Try to get that hole situated. That hole is like, sometimes it's not all the way seated right. Sometimes you gotta pull the trigger like forward a little bit. Yeah, perfect. And I just pushed it right there. Right there. Put that back one on. Push that through. Make sure it's all seated. Take your thing, whatever. Reseat it where they're equal. Perfect. Let's try it out. It's definitely lighter. It's definitely lighter. You can tell. I heard him say it'll get lighter over time. It's probably about 3.5 when you get it, and then when you break it in, it's like 3 when you put some rounds to it or whatever type deal. So, yes, sir, we got it, dog. Hey, I got something else planned for you in about like a month or so. So give me like a month to save up some money, get some money, and with this 3-pound trigger, I want to try something else with the trigger. It has something else to do with it, but it's gonna be a little favor, so y'all stay tuned for that, bro. But I'm gonna start posting longer videos like this, hopefully doing like small upgrades and stuff like that. And now that I know that I can get stuff from the Glock store, because I was scared to get stuff from them at first, now that I know that I can get stuff from them, oh, it's on, bro. This thing about to be looking nice, bro. For real, for real. Give me about June, this thing gonna be nice. For sure. I love you guys, bro. Stay tuned, bro, for real. Love you guys. Let's do this. 2024, man.